Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. So this is my very first Etsy haul. I have the app, but I usually use it for inspiration, and I've never purchased on Etsy before. So I was totally enabled by Armene. Hey Armene! We were chit-chatting about resin, and I wanted to see where she picked up her clear bales, so she sent me to an Etsy store, and I will link the Etsy store in the description box below if you were interested in any of these, if I would enable you as well. But she picks up her clear bales at this seller, so it was fast shipping and really good prices. So I picked up a couple of clear bales to glue on the back of my resin that I am slowly working on. I also picked up, I love pigs, so I picked up these really cute pig charm set. They come in a different colors, so they're so cute. Too cute, and they already have the eye pins in the little charm. Of course, I am a Hello Kitty fan, so when I saw this in our shop, I had to go pick it up. And their eye pins are already in there as well. So cute. Of course, these are adorable as well. These are little unicorns. Of course, again, the eye pins are already in here. So they're easy to create charms with. I also purchased some metal heart-shaped bales as well. And I am a Disney fan. I found these in her shop. These are little, I guess you can say felt. They're felt pieces in a variety of different colors. And they're small enough that you can put in projects. And so I'm going to create a Disney-themed mini eventually. It's on my crafty to-do list. So I picked some of those up. These are adorable. These are little little deers in a variety of different colors. And I loved it for the holidays. For these shabby colors are perfect for the holidays. Then this is a metal and lock and key set, a Disney themed, so I can use these on some of my mini albums to make a charm with. They're so cute. And lastly, I picked these up. These are some sweet treats that are in, look at that little tiny little Hello Kitty face. And this one too. How cute. They're like, they're like Hello Kitty knockoffs, but they're adorable. And here's another one. They're tiny, itsy bitsy little, fun little cabochons that you can add to your projects. So that's my quick my very first Etsy haul, and I will link all of the information below if you are interested in anything that I purchased. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.